Hey, it's Elizabeth from Siimple. I wanted to show you a few ways that you can customize the design of your site. So first of all, you can click on the Design tab and you'll see that it loads up the theme that you selected. Themes are the main way in which you can really change up the full look of your site. So if you started with static, for instance, like I did here, you'll see that you can click on that and you can choose any other of these themes to try out and preview with your content. And remember, it's completely non-destructive. So if you've already customized your site and added content, you can switch out these themes without affecting anything and switch back to the original if you want again. So yours might have a price if you don't own it already. Mine are owned, so you see here that it says owned. But remember, you also don't pay for anything until you're ready to publish your site live. So all of this is free to try out and play around with. So I'm going to switch this to Enso. And there it's going to fully and completely transform the look of my site. All of the sections are going to be different. And so now I can change the color palette here. And then I can save changes. Now, each of the sections on a section by section basis also have some layouts and different design options. So if I click on Edit Header Section, you'll see here that there are some different layouts. We have boxes here, we've got stripes and circles. So you can change the design on that level as well. So let's replace this image. I can choose a stock photo or upload my own image. And let's say I just do something that's abstract and blue. So this is kind of cool. Let's go with that. And then it's going to add it to that layout. And again, I can change the layout up here. So I can switch again to another theme. I can go to cards. And again, it takes the images that I have and it just puts it in a completely new design. So I can go there and save those changes. And now if I want to edit a particular section, I can come over here, edit that section, and see all of the available layouts here. So there's not a ton of different options here in the design tab to, that you need to fuss with. So I hope that helps and enjoy making your site.